Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to have access to all your phone contact email address on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on settings right here. Having opened up your phone settings, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to Google. So click on Google. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on your Google account. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on Google account. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for search Google account. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you look for contacts. So click on contacts. So it's going to take you to all the contacts you have on your Google account. Next thing you can do is to simply click on this three stroke from the top. That's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on other contacts. And you will have all access to all the contacts on your phone email address without any stress. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.